Dear kiddos, let's learn English alphabets and words. A for apple, B for bee, with easy and fun way. So watch complete video. Let's start. A. A is for apple. Apple means save. B. B is for bee. B means शहद की मक्खी. C. C is for camel. Camel means ऊंट. D. D is for duck. Duck means बत्तख. E. E is for earth. Earth means जमीन. F. F is for fish. Fish means मछली. G. G is for galaxy. Galaxy means caption. H. H means H is for hot. Hot means झोपड़ी. I. I is for insects. Insects mean हशरात. J. J is for juice. Juice means शरबत. K. K is for king. King means बादशाह. L. L is for leopard. Leopard means चीता. M. M is for mosque. Mosque means masjid. N. N is for nest. Nest means घोंसला. O. O is for orange. Orange means Malta. P. P is for peacock. Peacock means more. Q. Q is for Quran Majid. Is the Holy Quran of Allah. R. R is for rabbit. Rabbit means खरगोश. S. S is for sun. Sun means सूरज. T. T is for turtle. Turtle means कछुआ. U. U is for umbrella. Umbrella means छतरी. V. V is for van. Van means गाड़ी. W. W is for wolf. Wolf means भेड़िया. X. X is for xylophone. Xylophone means लकड़ी का बाजा. Y. Y is for जोजो. जोजो means कुर्ती। Z is for zero. Zero means सिफर। Thanks for joining us. Please channel subscribe